This easy guide is mainly about how to stop Google Photos backup, providing 9 easy-to-follow methods. Without further ado, let's go through this comprehensive resource right now. Part 1. Why stop Google Photos backup? Google leverages user data, including sensitive photo metadata like timestamps, locations, and camera details, to create detailed profiles. Additionally, even sensitive image content can be collected. Part 2. How to stop Google Photos backup in 9 quick ways. Way 1. Turn off the backup and sync. Way 2. Log out of Google Photos account. Way 3. Remove Google account. Way 4. Delete Google Photos. Way 5. Disconnect from the network. Way 6. Unplug power supply. Way 7. Unselect source folders on PC. Way 8. Suspend backup and sync on PC. Way 9. Shut down backup and sync on computer. Part 3. Utilize an expert Google Photos alternative. It is recommended that you use Mobican Backup Manager for Android, Windows, and Mac. This program is termed Android Backup and Restore, a professional tool for efficient and secure backup of mobile data.